If you're wondering if Oppo A6 Pro 5G does have camera macro mode, first of all, let's open the camera app on my device right here. Now, if I grab the phone and then let's also add something that could be captured in macro mode. As you can see right here, it doesn't pop any macro options. Also, if we check the three lines, there's no macro mode. And the maximum zoom, if we want to use it, is 10 times. So let's check how it works. So from far away, we'll be able to photograph this, and it kind of looks like a macro mode. But the real macro mode works usually when you can bring something really close to your camera lens. But in this case, if we bring that miniature next to my camera lens, I cannot capture a photo. It's very blurry. So it doesn't have strict macro mode, but has this 10 times zoom, which works kind of fine on objects such as this. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.